Hello everybody, welcome back to our Learn Scratch channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use pixel art in 3 ways. So let's go ahead and click the create button, and then you're going to come to this page with the sprite cat. Now what you're going to do is you're going to X off the cat, and then you can do it. So let's pick a random thing. Let's pick a random sprite. Pick the chick. And let's give it a backdrop. I'll choose the desert. Now, what we want this chick to do is we want it to become pixel art. So, how to use pixel art in Scratch in 3 ways? Well, you can go to looks, first step. This is the first way of how you can do pixel art in Scratch. So, you're going to scroll down and then you are going to go change color effect by 25. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the color and there, pixelate. And now you can change it to, if you change it to 80, it's so cute. Now it'll become a lot pixely. But if you change it to random numbers of 50, yeah, it won't be too pixely. But still, it's a lot pixely. So what if 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So what if I wanted to set the pixel? What if I wanted to make it 90? Whoa, there it is. Ah, it's so cute. Okay, now this is the second way now. So we could pick another sprite or maybe now. So what we're supposed to do is how you can do the next, but if you just set it to 0, yeah, it'll be just like, whoa, that's color effect. Okay, so what if we wanted to pick another sprite? I'll pick the apple. So we can go to costumes and then we can go to the square. We can just make it no color. And now as you can see, we are going to just do that and maybe, so if I wanted to just drag out, so I can go to the point editing and I can drag out a whole piece of the apple and you can pixelate it. So that's how you can animate your thing. So you can animate, you can just, or maybe you wanted to make it so small. Yeah, so small. Yeah, if you want to make so small, you can just zoom out. So now we can just do that and then we can make it small. Teeny tiny little apple. Now what we can do is we can make it big again, and yeah, there it is. It's a pixel apple. Can you see that? Or what if we wanted to create a sprite? So now if I wanted to change the color, so I wanted this color, and then you can just zoom in so much. Zoom, 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 zoom. Okay, that's enough zooming in. Now, as you can see, if you do that, there is still, but you have to zoom in even more. So zoom, 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 zoom in, and that's enough zooming in. And now you can get your blob. So what if you see that teeny tiny? It's teeny. It's small. It's small now. What you can do is, as you can see, it's still a circle. Just zoom in so much. Zoom, 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 zoom. And then now, what you can do is you can just draw. So yeah, if you zoom in, sometimes this glitch works, but it doesn't work too much. So yeah, it kind of works these days, but not too much because that doesn't work so well, but maybe that might happen to you when you zoom in a lot and do that. So the easiest way is you can go to looks and then you can change color, and then you can do that, and then you can pixelate. Yeah, and pixelate. So yeah, guys, that was how you can do that in Scratch. So those were 3 ways of using pixel art in Scratch in 3 ways. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and come back for more Scratch and learn more Scratch at Learn Scratch channel. And I hope you enjoy. Are you enjoying our Learn Scratch channel? I hope you are. Tell us in the comments down below if you liked this. So this video. So come back for more Learn Scratch at our Learn Scratch channel. So I hope you enjoyed. Our Scratch tutorial. So come back soon for more Scratch tutorials. And so yeah, keep doing Scratch, and I'll see you next time. Bye.